The Toyota Tundra and Tacoma key fob battery replacement is a straightforward DIY task, taking about 5 to 10 minutes. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool and a new CR2032 battery. First, locate the small notch or seam on the back of the fob. Insert the screwdriver into the notch and gently pry open the case. Separate the two halves carefully to expose the battery compartment. Note the battery's orientation. The positive side is usually marked with a plus symbol. Remove the old battery. Wearing gloves is ideal to avoid skin contact. Dispose of the old battery properly by recycling it. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive plus side facing up, ensuring correct alignment to prevent damage. Snap the case halves back together firmly. Test the fob by pressing the buttons. The lights should flash and the vehicle should lock-unlock. If the fob doesn't work, try reprogramming it via the vehicle's onboard system or the Toyota app. Common issues include incorrect battery polarity or using the wrong battery type. Use only CR2032. For models with valet keys, ensure the correct fob is being modified.